So who remembers Ratchet and Clank? So this came out on the PS2 in 2002. And it's funny because I weren't overly infused to play this. I played it and I thought, what a good game. How could I have waited so long to actually get stuck in? So I really like this game. And again, I think for me, because it surprised me because I wasn't expecting much, it's one of the PS2 games that I mostly remember. So were you a fan? Did you play Ratchet and Clank? And can you believe that this game is 23 years old today? Absolute madness.